इस कहानी का नाम है भेड़िया।
Hello and welcome to Dubai, you guys. It's so amazing to see you all here promoting the film Bhediya, which we are really looking forward to. So, since the beautiful lady in the middle has the mic, we'll start with you, Kriti. How's it been so far in Dubai?
It's been amazing. We've come yesterday and actually we're here for a very short time. And last time also when I came to promote a film, it was with Varun only.
Yeah.
Dilwale. So it's been 6 years. But very excited, especially for the fact that the trailer is going to play at the tallest building.
Yes,
at
Burj
the
Khalifa.
which is a first. So very, very excited about that.
Superb. We'll come to your character in just a bit. I'll move to you first. Varun, your fans have seen you in feature films. This is the first time they're watching you in a creature film. So were you a little skeptical when you took up this role?
Not at all. In fact, supremely confident that this is something I've been waiting for a long time, and it makes so much sense. And I think it was a long time coming, this film, and it's finally here. I've been waiting for it for the last 10 years, I think, since I started my career. That कब ऐसी कोई film आएगी? When will I get this film? And finally, I think भगवान ने, ईश्वर ने हमें दे दिया ये film. And 24th नवंबर को सिर्फ और सिर्फ दुबई में and अमेरिका में और UK में premiere करेगी. And then after that, the rest of the world will follow. Am I right, Dino?
Yes.
For now, Dubai.
Dubai special. In
Dubai
Dubai
is-
we say this.
अच्छा. No, you were also saying that दुबई में हमारा पहला एग्जाम होता है ना, तो
पहला
उसका
एग्जाम
result
दुबई
पहले
में
से
होता
दुबई से
है,
आ
but one of the most exciting things is that the trailer is going to be played on the Burj.
Burj Khalifa.
It's on the Burj Khalifa, and there's going to be some crazy waterworks as well over there, and so kudos to Fun Asia, kudos to Dino for pulling this off. You know?
Yeah.
It's a big move for a big girl.
Big golden girl.
And we're a big
For the
producer.
golden girl. The golden girl.
Golden girl.
Golden
huh?
girl.
Arey wow. Okay, so we'll come to you, Dinesh. Like after, of course, there's been Ruhi, Go Goa Gone, Stree. You're just kind of like building audiences' perceptions, and you're taking this genre to the next level. तो मतलब हर picture के साथ people are expecting, अरे अब कुछ बड़ा आने वाला है.
तो आ गया.
आ गया और भी आएगा. तो pressure रहता है हमेशा कि अभी तो people have seen this, now they'll expect something big.
I'd love to say, like I was saying this a little, while back when we were chatting, that sometimes some films choose you.
Yeah.
So I think this film's actually dedicated to, I recently, just before the film started, about a year and a half back, got a dog.
Yeah.
And I've had dogs in my family, but this was our dog. And there were twins, and my director got the other one. So there's Leo, Vijan, and
Yeah.
no, our
Amar.
director, the film's
Yeah.
director. So Leo, Vijan, that's my baby, and Charlie, Kaushik. And I think we would like, if they had not come into our lives, Bhediya wouldn't come.
Yeah.
And after Varun shot the film, they're both beagles. Varun got his very own beagle.
Yeah.
And Joey Dhawan. So the film starts with their photographs. Because
racist in dogs.
no, beagles are just very notorious and naughty.
The
Yeah.
Beagles have inspired us to make this film. That breed.
Bhediya is inspired from that. Her character is inspired from her dog.
Which one?
Disco. Not Phoebe. Phoebe को फटका दो तुमको फटका थोड़ी दे सकते हैं. So some films choose you.
Yeah.
But honestly, it's like the way I look at it is you cannot not make this film.
Yeah.
That's the best way to make a film.
But what was your thought behind casting Varun for it?
I didn't cast him. He cast himself.
I'm the closest.
Closest Bhediya.
I think I'm the closest thing to a dog in the Hindi film industry. And I bit Dino a couple of times before I got this film. इनको 14 इंजेक्शन लेने पड़े छोटे-छोटे पेट पे लगे थे इनके. But after they had no choice. But
Yeah.
when I heard the one line of this film, मैंने सच्ची में भेड़िया की तरह इस फिल्म को गार्ड किया. I made sure कि कोई दूसरा एक्टर पहुंचे भी
पास भी नहीं आया.
I made sure there's a road outside Maddock. I dug that road up कि कोई actor अंदर आ नहीं पाए थोड़े वक्त के लिए. I
सबको
spread
डरा के
rumors.
रखा था.
I went and told आयुष्मान कि पता है कि डीनो ने तेरे बारे में ये कहा था. I told राजकुमार. अरे डीनो तेरे को गाली दे रहा था कल रात को. So I spoiled some relationships always.
Oh.
You behave like a bhedia.
Yeah, bhediya, proper bhediya. We come to you, Kriti. Well, congratulations on the success with Mimi. We've seen that.
Congratulations! I want to congratulate Kriti for the success of Mimi,
Yes,
the golden girl,
golden girl.
Kriti, the Rani, in today's time, for the success of Mimi.
Yes.
And the huge brand that you just signed. Congratulations on that. Congratulations on Tribe. And biggest congratulations है आपको आपके
For
पार्टनर ढूंढने के लिए अभी जो पार्टनर है आपका. Yeah,
ये
she's
सब
just
बोल
kind
रहे हैं
of-
हम उस पे आएंगे पहले. I will spare you with on that question for a few minutes. First, we'll talk about your character because seeing your filmography, it only shows that you always accept versatile roles. So.
What? Wearing diamonds.
हाँ, तो वो रिंग
भाड़े
दिखा
के
रहे
हैं, but
हैं
हाँ, okay.
आपकी. रिंग फिंगर पे नहीं है.
रिंग देखा वो खाली है. वो मैंने जानबूझ के खाली रखी है.
Yeah, they all want you to accept on record that you
कौन
have
है
a
ये?
partner and to name that person. Now मैं
You
क्या
know,
करूँ?
you know what's funny is that they're making it so funny that it's looking like I'm blushing, but I'm not blushing.
मेकअप भी बहुत अच्छा है, blush अच्छा लगा है. Okay, but no. So talking about your character, Dr. Anika, what attracted you towards doing that?
I think the fact that she's really quirky. And I found her whenever Amar read me the scenes, or I was reading it also, I found her really funny and really quirky and very confused for a vet. She never gives you a straight answer. If you ask her kya hua hai, she's not going to tell you exactly kya hua hai. She's going to keep guessing. And I like doing comedy, and I like when the comedy is very situational and not just like cracking jokes.
Yeah.
And more than anything else, I think I was really attracted to the script. I think the script for me, it's rare when in the draft that you hear only on paper, when you're reading it, you're really laughing and getting entertained and really loving it. It doesn't happen very often, and this one just felt right. I just heard it and I was like, it's a great film.
Yeah, how did you prep for this role?
I'm a spontaneous actor. I did not prep. I surrender to my director.
For 4 months he was prepping, but she just doesn't need it.
Because he's the bhediya, no?
She's the golden girl.
And he's the bhediya.
She's the golden girl. Correct.
He needed
The
more
way they're
minutes.
roasting you.
Who's in a relationship?
Who's in a relationship? You're in a relationship.
Guys.
Come on, yaar.
सच में कोई आएगा नहीं क्योंकि हर किसी को लगेगा मैं कमिटेड हूँ.
सच में you're like मतलब कुछ leaving no chance for any kind of
So they
swimwear
will
to
make
happen.
me feel like I'm with someone, I'm committed. And
She's
then,
not,
yeah,
guys. She's single.
guys.
She's very
Anyone
committed to her
single,
work.
please.
Do you go and flirt with any boys? Do you flirt with any boys in general in your life? You never.
I don't get to know when I'm flirting. My flirting is like very natural.
Very
I don't
subtle.
get to know. Subtle. It's subtle like me. Yeah. I don't prep for the flirting.
She doesn't believe in prep, but she believes in a committed relationship.
Varun has made this such a coffee with Karan episode.
Prep when it's needed. यार मिम्मी के लिए बहुत prep किया ऐसा नहीं है. But
हाँ, वो दिख रहा था.
When is आपकी next Mimi कब आ रही है? Next critically acclaimed role आपकी, going to win accolades.
he's set the benchmark so high for me that I'm not finding one right now. So he has to find me one.
That's the same thing इन्होंने बोला था before finding her life partner. उसने इतना high standard set किया था. पर अब इनके जिंदगी में वो आ गया है.
He was stuck on that.
वो
ये
शहजादा आ गया है. वो डार्लिंग आ गया अभी उनकी जिंदगी में.
पूरा इंटरव्यू
वो आ
भेड़िया
गए.
के बारे में कम.
वो आ गए हैं. आपको क्या लगता है? Who does she look best on screen?
You.
Who, me? Me?
After you. आप ही बोल रहे थे.
नहीं आप बोलिए ना अपने.
डार्लिंग प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस
तो
में.
आपको क्या लगता है?
प्रभास. यार मुझे तो किसी के साथ भी सबके साथ अच्छी लगती है वो.
हमारी लड़की ऐसी नहीं है. वो एक के साथ जाएगी. आप
ऑन
बताइए.
स्क्रीन
हाँ.
केमिस्ट्री सबके साथ होनी चाहिए.
नहीं,
आपको
नहीं,
क्या
but-
लगता है?
मुझे लगता है आज के टाइम में she looks very good with two people. One is Karthik and one is Prabhas. I think she looks very.
Yeah,
good with
Prabhas, I
तो आप
agree.
choose करो.
I agree.
Nicely promoting my next 2 films.
Yes, but for now she's looking great with you.
both. No, she is. See, I'm not threatened by them क्योंकि मैं कभी भी काट सकता हूँ उनको.
Correct. Correct. आप कभी भी रूप
Cat.
बदल सकते हैं. दो रूप है. movie mein. But yeah, okay, so that's about your character. Tell me, y'all have shot a lot in Arunachal Pradesh, and just like y'all are having fun here, we've seen through your post कि as a group आप लोग बहुत मजा कर रहे थे while shooting. So something from there, share with us a memory or an incident.
I don't know why. I have traveled thrice to 0, okay, and out of which one trip I did only for one scene, which has gotten cut. What? Yeah. I think I've traveled the maximum. That's my prep.
That's the prep. And उसके बाद scene कट जाए तो बहुत बुरा
That's
लगता
my prep. No, but yeah. Other than that, I don't know why I remember this. This is probably the first film where in one scene I stood on a patla for Varun Dhawan. I don't know how this happened. I don't know how this happened, but it was a strange feeling. He's taken a video of it.
It's a career-defining moment for me, and I was in shock myself till we realized that actually we were shooting on a slope.
Okay.
So I was on top of that slope and she was on the bottom, so इसलिए उसको पाटला देना पड़ा. But many times, sometimes when I need extra height, I just stand on Kriti's toes, you know, on her feet, so I get that extra
Get the
power.
height.
No, that's not
But now I'm not allowed because of the partner that she has. Allowed नहीं है. Allowed नहीं.
Also, you have a partner. Don't
My
forget.
partner was there when we were shooting. Yeah, she was very secure, but इनका बहुत possessive है. इनका वाला.
तो पार्टनर है भी और
इनका वो.
पॉसेसिव भी है
इनका
आपके
वो.
वो. हाँ, ये एक पूरा हमारे पास कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आ रहे हैं धीरे धीरे.
और जब उनके साथ कोई और फ्लर्ट करे या थोड़ा टच है तो वो गुस्से हो जाते हैं, बट वो अपने आप पे गुस्सा हो जाता है, वो चिल्लाता है अपने खुद पे.
Who is this person? We all now, everybody wants to know.
अभी नहीं है ना दुबई में वो, अभी तो मैं कुछ भी
अभी
कर
के लिए
सकता
आप
हूँ. देखो
partner.
देखो देखो.
एंड एज पार्टनर्स अभी मुझे बताओ कि बिकॉज आप लोग दिलवाले के लिए भी आए थे, ये क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे दोबारा पूछ रही हूँ आफ्टर द प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, बट फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स ऑन जी टू नो, आपको एक दूसरे के बारे में बेस्ट क्वालिटी क्या लगती है, दैट समथिंग दैट शी हैज एंड आई शुड हैव हैड और ही हैड.
I should have had. I think I've learned from her and I've got that quality now is her commitment. वो बहुत ही committed हो जाती है. Once she's in a relationship, she's a very committed person and loyal.
There's still pun intended here.
वो बहुत loyal है, बहुत committed है.
loyal to friends, to people in my life who matter a lot, and in my
समझ रहे हो आप, देख रहे हो आप एंगल आप. So she's very committed, बहुत loyal है. बस अभी
ये मेरा मैट्रिमोनी का क्या ऐड हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है?
लग तो वही रहा है. नहीं, पार्टनर तो ऑलरेडी है.
I said your commitment
Your
to
commitment.
things.
My loyalty you've not taken.
And
Your
on a
commitment to
serious note.
things.
Things to what?
About her qualities.
That they should go to Arunachal for their honeymoon.
हाँ, for honeymoon उनका तवांग में होगा अरुणाचल में.
What is that one quality about him that you think you shouldn't have?
I shouldn't have
I just changed the question.
one quality of him. Which I should. I mean, he's improving now, but his highs and buys are terrible. Like he picks up the phone like, "हाँ Kriti," it's almost like काम की बात पे आ जल्दी. And
There's no voice for 30 seconds. He's forgotten his call.
because he's called and he's talking to someone else, okay, and then it'll be like bye will never happen. It'll be like, "Acha, I'll just call you," and that call you never happens only. So the bye is not there. And I know I say such a pleasant hi, and I say okay bye properly. So yeah, and sometimes like he's lost sometimes. So when he's walking,
Lost. I don't know, waste time.
no, he doesn't say bye sometimes. Even like when you're meeting and all, and we're going, na.
Yeah.
ये
Are you like that?
मतलब गाड़ी बैठ के निकल जाते.
मुझे लगा ये नॉर्मल है. अच्छा, हाय बाय बोलना चाहिए क्या? हाँ? अरे but you keep, मतलब I'm not gonna.
Basic manners.
No, it's like if I get up from bed, I should tell Natasha hi in the morning. अरे but she's been near me the whole
With a kiss.
night, morning.
Not people. I'm not living with you.
Who? But we right now, तो we are seeing each other every day, ना.
Phone उठा के just
I should say hi Kriti. That's normal.
just pick up the
अच्छा,
phone.
आपके वो हाय बोलते हैं.
मेरे ये भी हाय बोलता है.
ये कभी नहीं हाय बोलता है. हाँ, कमीने सुन. ये लाइन रीनू मेरे को ऐसा. हाँ, तो सुन कमीने. ऐसे बोलता है.
Never. Don't say that. I stop you with a lot of respect.
And कृति को he says रानी साहिबा कैसे हो आप आज सुबह में.
Golden girl कैसे हो आप?
Golden girl रानी साहिबा.
Right, we'll finish with one more question
Dinu.
to Dinu, क्योंकि आपको अरुणाचल के बारे में भी बात करनी थी, and to that we'll add something about the movie where you have of course 700 or 800 VFX shots. मतलब we are really looking forward to watch that. Take us through.
So I think the idea of VFX in this film is that you should not feel you're watching VFX. You should feel you're in a real world. That's why we've got a company called MPC who are the best in the world at live animals. So they've done Jungle Book, MPC, Planet of the Apes. So they've just I think right now we cannot underestimate our audience, and we need to give them a film of international quality, especially post-COVID when they've been exposed to so much cinema.
Yeah.
So I think Bhedia does that, hopefully very successfully, and only I don't feel that. And with
You will
regard
know.
to-
Dubai will tell you.
Yes, but if you saw the trailer and you liked the trailer and you liked what's in it, you would definitely not be disappointed by the film. I can say in my 20 years of my career, it's our best film. You know,
Yeah.
And which
She loves it. She loves it.
I love it. I love 3 also. And I'm sure I love.
So this is, and what is good is it's a film that as an Indian you're going to be very proud of that it's come from here, you know. And with regard to Arunachal, I think the VFX have been assisted by Arunachal because we've been in a live forest, you know, and it is just probably, you know, after Kashmir, the most beautiful place in India, you know. That's snow and this is nature. And when you see the forest sequences, you're going to get goosebumps and you're going to be like, this is in India. So हम लोग बार-बार जाते हैं ना, holiday में जाते हैं, let's go abroad. You're going to, from Dubai, want to come to Arunachal for a holiday. And I think
Yeah.
hopefully that's what Bhedia does. क्या बोलता है वरुण?
Yeah, they're showing us.
Fact, मुझे ऐसा उन्हीं मार के बोल रही थी. It's like this is my most favorite film. I think this is going to be my most favorite film.
I'm loving the trailer, and I think you're right. The few glimpses that we have seen already in the songs, in सारे sequences में, I think the place is gonna, yeah, and the movie.
चीज़ लोग आपने already book कर दिया ना आपके पति के साथ.
हाँ,
दो
सब
ticket.
done.
हाँ?
फ्री में हम देख
हाँ
सकते
फ्री में मत देखें. ये गलत बात है. ये अभी कर दी ना आपने.
हैं. नहीं हम टिकट लेके आएंगे पूरे पैसे भर.
हाँ पूरे मतलब इधर डिस्काउंट.
पूरे पैसे भर के, and you have to tell your fans also on camera.
Just want to tell all our fans over here, all your fans also watching on Z Connect कि प्लीज़ जाके भेड़िया पिक्चर देखिए. 24 नवंबर को रिलीज़ हो रही है UAE में शाम को. शाम का वक्त ऐसा होता है जाके आप अगर पिक्चर देखेंगे ना तो आपको प्यार हो जाएगा.
बड़ी अच्छी नींद.
और कृति को भी प्यार वैसे ही हुआ था.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
guys.
so
It's
much,
been
guys.
so much fun talking to you all. Wish you all the very best with
Thank you
Bhedia.
so much.
And
Stop blushing यार कृति. Thank you.